In this video, I'll show you how to enable full dark mode on your iPhone, including dark app icons. First, open the Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Select Dark. Next, return to your home screen. Press and hold an empty area of the home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Tap Customize. Select Dark to make your app icons dark. That's it! Your iPhone now has dark mode enabled for both the display and app icons. Subscribe for more tech how-to tutorials.